Assalamualaikum dear friends. Hope you are doing well. Our today's topic is addition. But you are well aware of addition. Addition means together or adding two numbers or two different objects, two or more numbers. Like addition is the process of bringing two or more numbers or things all together. Now I will explain you the addition with the help of example. I draw a flower. Here are different numbers, but the sum of these numbers are 7. For example, when we add 4 plus 3, the answer will be the 7. Again, when we add some more number like 5 and 2, the answer also the same, 7. Like these are the simple examples of addition. When we add two or more numbers together, it's called addition. Now here are one video for you. With the help of this video, you will clearly explain the addition. There are two numbers, 13 and 12. When we start addition, so you have to start from the ones. First we have to start ones, then we move toward the 10. When we start ones and our ones are 3 and 2. When we plus 3 and 2, the answer will be 5. When we move toward the tens, when we plus 1 and 1, so it means 2. When we plus 13 and 12, so the answer is 25. Now another example is 15 and 17. When we plus 5 and 7, so answer can in two numbers like 12. So when two digits number 10, so we write ones under the ones and we take tens on the tens. Like when we write 2 under this one and remaining 1 we put on the 10 and we add all the times, so the answer is 32. When we plus 15 and 17, so the answer is 32. Here I explain you the addition with the carryover and the simple addition also. Hope you understood my point? Yeah. Now it's activity time. Yo! Hope you will enjoy the activity. So let's move toward the activity. In activity, I made a simple apple tree. It's called math game. For this activity, you have to need some color paper, scissors, cutter, pencil, and glue gun or stick gun. First, you have to draw the tree on the different color paper and then cut it out the parts of the tree. After cutting the parts of the tree, you have to patch the trunk with the tree leaves, and then also you have to need the red color paper. For the red color paper, because I use red color paper because it's an apple tree, so for the apple you have to cut the different circles for the pasting on the tree, and then I pasted all the red apples on the tree. After that, you have to cut the 4 simple strips with the different color. After that, you have to keep this strip between the trunk. When you keep the strip in the trunk, and then you have to start writing number. In first strip, you have to write the number from 0 till 9. In the second strip, you have to write the sign. You have to draw the sign of addition. If you want to do the subtraction activity on that apple tree, so you can also do. But we are doing just addition activity, so you have to draw the addition sign. In the third strip, you also write the number till 1 to 9. In the fourth strip, you have to draw just the equal sign. In the last strip, you have to write the number till 1 to 15. When you move the different strip, place the different numbers, so you will get the answer. Like 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. You have to use the different strip. You have to use the different number for the addition. Hope you will get this activity. And inshallah, you people will also do this activity at home. Now, it's time to home assignment. Yes! So for this topic, I also designed some home assignments, some worksheets for you people that you will do this topic practice at home as well. The first worksheet is addition, simple basic addition. For this purpose, you just add these dice number and write your answer in the boxes. You can also use your fingers for adding these numbers. You can also use your fingertips for adding a different number. Here is also word problem for you people. Here are word problem. First word problem I will read for you and remaining you will do at your home. There are 6 bicycles, 5 more bicycles. Come, so how many are there now? First you have to write the first number, and our first number is 6. Then we will write our second number. Our second number is 5. Then we plus 5 and 6. Then the total bicycles quantity are 11. So our answer will be 11. That's great. Now it's time to say